Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation. In this presentation, I am going to explain my newly built platform EduConfix. So let's go into the next slide. So this is the EduConfix platform in a nutshell. This is actually learning and teaching platform. Learners can log into the system and learn with the system, and instructor will log into the system and he will create the courses and courses can be enrolled by students. So it additionally we have the e-text. It's like PDF e-books that also available, and we have the evaluation mechanism as well. So this is my short analysis for this new platform. Uh, it will discuss about the strength, opportunity, weakness, threat. As per the strength, we will talk about the what is the core activities with the business and what are the capabilities with the systems, and the opportunities is what will be the significant advantage we can take it, and to the weakness we can see the area that we can improve with the current system, and for the threats actually we discuss about the harmful activities with this system. So let's go to the next slide. So this is the detailed slot analysis. We will see the opportunities in the this new system. So this EduConfix is a highly demand system because it's available for the online education for anyone at any time. It's available for 24/7. So anyone is required to learn, you can use this system, or anyone who like to teach something, use that system as well. So we have large customer base, that will be an opportunity because this online education can have more than 200 students or more than 500 students at a time, and there can be a lot of instructors who look into the system and creating courses. And this is service oriented, so there is no raw material involvement for the product development, so that's also opportunity. And the world connectivity, because since this is online education, anyone can log in at any time in any country. And the diversification, that will be also another value added for this system, because diversification will increase the education capabilities, because several cultural student or several cultural instructor uh, can come and bring values to this system. And let's see what are the threats with this system. The first one is legal issues, that is due to intellectual property. So we are managing them properly, but there can be a content that without any awareness that somebody can do unethical activities related to this intellectual content. And there is another threat that since there are already a few learning platforms available nowadays, so there can be a threat that student or instructor can move into other learning platforms. And the other one is the reputation damage. This is also again the unethical activities done by maybe an instructor, maybe a learner, that will harm to the company name or company, because we are the one who providing the platform. And management difficulties also there, because at a time there will be a 400 or 500 student in a class, and instructor may also unable to contain or unable to manage them properly. But we uh, implement the system with the proper management criteria. So but there can be issues. And security violation is basically DDoS attack or some unethical activities, so doing some harmful activities to the system, but we have to take all the security measures to handle this, but there can be slight situations, so we have to be very careful. And this is the digital business strategy, 4S we call it as. We have scope, scale, speed and source. So let's deep dive into them. So under the scope, we will discuss about the content that we can deliver and their boundaries. So costs are the main soldable item in this system, and instructor the one who created courses, and when learners enroll for a courses, they will be charged 5%. When instructor creating course, they will be charged for 2%. So e-text is not mandatory, but it will be linked to the main book publisher companies like Amazon. So student or instructor can purchase this book through the system. So registration fee will be free, and there are the scale that we can increase based on our revenue generation. So we have the e-text purchasing option, so we'll be charging commission when they buying e-text books, so that will be increasing our profit margins. And we have customer loyalty program, that means one student or instructor can introduce new instructors, so students, and they will be treated with commission, and they will be collecting with points, and they will be of a loyalty program. And a platform is available to publish advertisement, so that way also we will generate some revenue. And we already replace RDBMS systems with the NoSQL databases, because RDMS servers are very cost. So yeah, and is auto scaling infrastructure also there, like computing power will be increased or decreased based on the system user volume. Okay, let's go to the next slide. So when you consider the speed, actually we use cloud CDN, so very fast, and data is stored as object based, not relational database concept, because object can be accessed fast. And all them are simply created user interfaces. Students and instructors can browse through their interfaces without no hassle, because it's only having two or three interface options, so it is very easy to use. And we do all the server side data processing. There will be no client side processing and take back data to the server side, so we will increase the speed that way. And we also provide demo sessions, so students, instructors, or any other uh, people can log into the system and experience how the system is functionality. And sources, as we are using AI and machine learning to identify the user enrollment, course creation, the patterns, so that we can increase our business capabilities. And we use cloud technologies. All our system are with cloud technologies, so we can get a good profit out of it, as well as performance out of it. And we use component based development, so the features and component can be reused as per the customization or new feature introduced. And we have the customer feedback system available for students as well as instructors. They both party can come and give their feedback, and based on feedback will be evaluated, and they based on the feedback the future modification and improvement will be happen. And we have 24 by 7 operation support, so if a student or instructor have critical issues, they can call to our hotline and get this resolved. Okay, let's go to the, okay, this is the canvas model, business model used for the our system development. So we have customer segment, we have customer relationships, and we will evaluate the value propositions, and we have key activities, key partners, key resource, cost structure, revenue stream. So these are the world recognized business development methodologies. So we have used this canvas method to uh, uh, develop this our platform. Okay, and these are the key features of our EduConflicts platform. We have the scalability, expand to server and number of users transaction. That means the system can be scalable as based on the user volume. And the connectivity also there, because this will be connected multiple system databases and do the things. And the other one is personalized, because the system is personalized, can be personalized based on the instructor or student requirement, as they like. The interfaces can be personalized. And flexibility, because users can use, student or instructors can use this system as they wish and as they think, so anytime anywhere they can use it. And this is cloud native. Cloud native means actually it is highly available and very fast, reliable, so that also the feature. And also this is AI powered, because the statistic calculation, pattern recognition, everything will be done. So the continuous development will be happen to this system. And this is my cost optimization. There will be 75% to build the system, and we got the fund from the UK government, and to maintain the cost actually we estimated for 25%, and we always try to do the optimization, so we will expecting do the optimization and reduce cost by 10%. Okay, so these are the cost build that we have used this EduConfig platform. So we have cost for the staff recruitment, Gantt chart, burning chart planning, and cloud hosting and contracts with software licensing at also. And in here building platform also we do the optimization and try to reduce some money from it. And we have the maintenance cost here. This is the calculation. So to maintenance we have to take care about the 6 month employment salary, and we have to run the cloud host for a 6 month. And for the training and operation, since this is new system, the training and operation are very important, and we have tax and legal fees that also calculated here. And for the risk management like backup procedures, disaster recovery mechanism, etc., for that we have allocated some fund. And here also we can have optimized solution here, because since we have the system implemented in cloud, we can once the system is run 1 or 2 months, we can see how the resources are used, like EC2 instance, databases, cloud network. So we can analyze and we can get the report, and if there is a non usage of these cloud resources, we can get rid of them and we can optimize the cost. So this is the way I have calculated the cost and optimize the cost and work as per the budget. Okay. Okay, here are the key literature and justification used for this platform designing and the content. And here are our reference. Okay, that's all, and thank you very much for listening to this.